Hello and welcome back to Code with Me. If this is your first time here, make sure to check out our other videos for tips and tricks to boost your coding game. Today, we're tackling 10 beginner coding mistakes and how to overcome them. And hey, stick around till the end. I've got a question for you to share your own experience. Let's dive in. Let's kick off with mistake number 10, comparing yourself to others. Imagine you're at the gym and you see someone lifting twice your weight. You wouldn't quit, right? Instead, you'd focus on your progress. Coding is the same. Maybe someone's building an app while you're learning loops. That's okay. They've been where you are. Set small, personal goals, like mastering one concept each week. Progress is progress, no matter how small. At number 9, not asking for help. Think about this. If your car breaks down, do you just sit in it and hope it fixes itself? Of course not. You call for help. In coding, whether you're stuck on an error or a concept, ask questions. Platforms like Stack Overflow and Reddit are your hotline. When you ask, be specific. Instead of saying, "My code doesn't work," explain what you tried and what's happening. Number 8 is a classic, not using version control. Picture this. You're writing an essay, make changes, and suddenly regret them. Without undo, you're stuck. That's what Git does for coders. It's like a time machine for your code. Start simple. Learn how to create a repository, commit your work, and push it to GitHub. It's one of the best habits you can build early on. Number 7, giving up too quickly. Ever tried solving a Rubik's Cube, got frustrated, and gave up? Coding problems can feel the same. But here's the secret. Most problems have a solution. You just haven't found it yet. When you're stuck, take a break, revisit the problem, or search for a simpler approach. Coding is a puzzle, and every piece you place teaches you something new. Number 6, ignoring comments and readability. Imagine reading a book with no spaces, no punctuation, just a wall of text. Frustrating, right? That's what messy code feels like. Write self-explanatory variable names and add comments for tricky parts of your code. Future you and your teammates will thank you. At number 5, neglecting practice. Watching coding tutorials without coding is like watching cooking shows, but never entering the kitchen. You learn by doing. Pick a small daily challenge. Maybe write a function that reverses a string or a basic to-do list app. Websites like LeetCode and CodeWars are gold mines for hands-on practice. Number 4, skipping planning. Imagine trying to assemble IKEA furniture without the instructions. Chaos, right? Coding without planning is the same. Start with a plan. Write pseudocode or draw a simple flowchart. It's like having a GPS for your project, and it saves time debugging later. Coming in at number 3, fear of errors. Ever tried learning a new sport and tripped over your own feet? Did you quit, or did you laugh it off and try again? Errors in coding are just like that. Treat errors like hints. When you see one, read it carefully, Google the message, and learn from it. Every error is a step closer to mastering the skill. Number 2, copy-pasting code without understanding. It's like copying answers in an exam. You pass today but fail tomorrow. When you find code online, break it down line by line. Ask yourself, why is this here? And rewrite it in your own way. Understanding the logic is what turns a beginner into a pro. Finally, at number 1, not understanding the basics. Skipping fundamentals is like building a house without a strong foundation. Loops, conditionals, and data types are your building blocks. Dedicate time to the basics and test yourself. Create small projects like a calculator app to cement your understanding. The stronger your foundation, the easier advanced concepts will be. And that's it. 10 common mistakes and how to tackle them head on. Which of these mistakes have you made? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story.